Yo, 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 yo. Top of the morning. Morning, guys. Morning, guys. Morning, guys. I see we having live chat here. Top of the morning. Blessed morning. Wonderful morning. Up and ready. Thankful. Thankful for today. You know, hope you have a wonderful stream. Hope you'll have fun. You already know. Alright, guys. Let me just post this on Instagram real quick. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. Currently at 102 subscribers. Sub goal 150. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for being here once more. Let's get it, let's get it. Big up yourself, Leanne. Top of the morning, guys. What you all doing today? Hope you're having a good day. A good morning. Are you all in any trades? We good. What about you? I am fine, thank you. Thank you for asking. Thank you for always being here. No, number one supporter in the building. Stop playing with that boy. She's not one of them. Hey guys, wonderful morning. Alright, so let's check the calendar for the Forex factory. Okay, so today GBP USD. Okay, nothing major today. Just 1 o'clock news. Not high impact. But guys, tomorrow is CPI and unemployment claims. So today most likely will be low probability. So today we may sit on our hands. If not, have patience like always and let price comes to us. If you're not following, you can follow on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. I appreciate it, guys. Alright, let's get straight into it. What's your TikTok? My TikTok is MaalikTradez. That's MAALIKTRADEZ. MaalikTradez. Hold on 1 second, guys. Following, that's nice, that's nice. Right, so let's go over. Yes, you would like to start the live with the psychology tip, or you would like that during the stream or the start of the stream? Talk to me, guys, talk to me. At the start? Okay, no problem at the start. Alright. Let's see if we can get that before the 9. 930 volatility. Alright, let me find one real quick. Hold on, guys. Today feels good. Today feels good. How y'all feeling today? And at the end, just so it sinks in, and at the end, at the start and during, you can like repeat it. Nice, nice, nice. No problem. Let me get one. Let me find. I actually have two. I got two. Right, so today's psychology tip is sponsored by Dennis the Trader. So he says, it does not matter how often you win. One loss can wipe away everything if you don't manage your risk. My trading rules: review emotional state before trading. Always trade with the macro trend. Trade only if setup confirms it. Max 3 trades per day. Reduce risk after 3 losses in a row. Review journal on Friday night. Okay, so this is kind of his personal rules. But we can see the bridge gap, but we can place ours there. So that is the tip for today, guys. Remember, trading is not just about buying and selling. You need to have your psychology intact so you can have and keep your profits, guys. It's very important. Psychology, don't take it for granted. Alright, so let's start off with the daily time frame on the NAS. Oh there, buddy. Okay, so NAS is currently showing beautiful price action. NAS is, oh my god, I apologize. NAS is currently trading within this daily breaker block, as we mentioned earlier in the week. The bodies is still respecting the mean threshold. That is beautiful. The wicks do the damage. The bodies tell the story. Midpoint. Beautiful. So we should expect lower prices today. If not, higher prices. If not, there may be chances of seek and destroy. So you know what we do? Sit on our hands and wait for time, not just price. So you know, basic stuff, guys. Down to the 4 hour. Right. We have fair value gap here as well. We have a fair value gap on the 4 hour with a 4 order block. So let's go ahead and mark that out, guys. Order block. Now we need to mark these things out, these PDRAs out, so that we know what price could potentially do when it approaches it. Alright, guys, we need to pay close attention to these areas. And of course, that BPR I mentioned a few days ago, yesterday, and price did its thing, respected it by a few ticks, and delivered to the upside. Taking our buy here is very that takes much confidence, in which we will have very soon, to be buying in these strong PDRAs. This is a BPR, one of price's strongest PDRAs. Balanced price range. BPR stands for balanced price range, for those who don't know. Okay. We can go ahead and probably delete. Don't necessarily have to delete this, but we keep it there just in case. Okay. Nothing much for NAS. that's basically about it there. Oh, we can refine this a little bit. Good. So we have inefficiencies here with liquidity points as well. That is beautiful. Yeah, so if price does this, we'll do that, and so forth. We're not here to be right all the time. We're here to make money and take a piece of the move, not to go home with the whole pizza. Come out every day and take a slice. Eventually, depending on the size of your pizza you desire, you'll have the whole pizza. So remember guys, be disciplined, patient, and consistent. And also be content with enough. Remember that, guys. Alright, so that's it for now. So let's move on to US30. US30. Nothing major right now. I think I need to clean up these charts. Nothing major right now on US30. So we definitely have to wait. I already journaled this trade from yesterday. So initial trade from yesterday, guys, came back to entry and propelled up for the 1050 macro. Beautiful trade nonetheless. Like I said, we're not here to be right all the time. Here we go, pulling up. Okay, I think I need to. So excuse me, guys. I try not to be on the market outside of stream. Really trying to be less. Less is more. So that is the objective. Less is more. I mean, let's make sure I have this marked out so it can be on point with our new week opening up. Okay, so open. Beautiful. Good. Alright, so that was cleaned up a bit. Alright, clear the breaker. We could probably take out this for our fair value gap here. Beautiful. Could take this out as well. You could drag these equal highs here because price gravitates towards that. You can also drag this. Oh my bad. You can also drag inefficiency as well. Let's take a look at coal. 5 minutes. Expansion. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Let's get some music rolling in here, guys. Okay, so we initially wait for the 950 macros. Your price delivers us today. Let's do our one setup for life. Top down. Okay, so this is London session high. Beautiful levels, guys. You all see that? Beautiful levels. Buy side liquidity is also here. Alright, a lot of buy side liquidity. London session low. London session low here, guys. Yesterday's PM session, that is also here as well. From it aligns with us, so a lot of high probability liquidity levels on top here. PM session low. It's here as well, guys. Right. We have this untouched inefficiency here. Okay, so 9:30 to the swing. Today I'm expecting search and destroy, because whole week we have been moving to a lot of volatility. Tomorrow is CPI, so the market may consolidate today to accumulate positions for tomorrow to stop out. Look at this trade. Boom. Beautiful entry on NAS. Okay, guys, we do not FOMO, fear of missing out. We wait. We wait, guys. We wait. Let 9:30 do its thing. Let's go to the higher time frame so we can more see what price is doing here. Okay, so price just on NAS, price reacted off of this 15-minute order block and straight up. Do you have any questions, any concerns? Anything you would like me to run through? So you see, guys, these levels are purged with no questions into the 15-minute inefficiency that was marked out. So you see, these levels are not just Barbie doll levels, pick and play levels. These are program institutional levels, highly calculated levels. So pay close attention, guys. Equal high is out, London high is out, PM session high is out. Strong buy side liquidity. So you can go ahead and remove these. Let's go to the 1 hour. Inefficiency lines up with the 1 hour as well. Beautiful. This is previous daily London session. Let's go to the daily. You all hear me clearly, or you want me to speak up or lower the volume on the music? Previous daily high. Previous daily high. Right. Okay. I guess. Now, this would be a very good supply zone. Wait, am I saying that correct? Yeah, so this will be a very good order block, but this order block to me is not high probability. Why? Can anybody tell me why? Leon, can you tell me why this order block is not high probability? Any reason why? I mean, it may play out, but most likely, higher chances of it playing out could be low. Are you able to tell me why? No, sir. Can you explain? Sir? You mean, sir? I could. So if you look at the ooh, price is not playing. Price is not playing today, guys. So if you look at the chart, right, you'll see there's an inefficiency below here, which is untapped. Also with another order block, which also market structure shift. And price also have a lot of liquidity levels, what we call also inducement, right? This is also inducement. So what price most likely will do is come down by, it will give you a little reaction. Let me see if I get the, I have the I always forget this button thing. Where is it? Where is it? Alright. Price might come down. Come here. To give you a little push up to make you think, alright, cool. The inside, you know. Switch off your phone. Take a walk. By the time you come back, price reach back down here. Swept this liquidity level here into this inefficiency here, and may tap into this order block, right? And then shoot back up to the upside. So that's why we be very careful with these types of order block. High probability order blocks, we want order blocks to sweep liquidity before the up move, or inefficiencies before them. Those are high probability order blocks. So you want to stay away from these, in my opinion, of course. Price seems to be very bullish for 9:30. Should I swing? Let's wait and see, guys. How's the weather today, guys? How is your weather? Hot like that, yeah. Breezy. Taishi, Taishi. Taishi. Alright, so we had a lot of liquidity purge, order block. Again, this is a perfect example of the induced order block I was talking about. Now price may react from here and fine, or when fine go down, but you want to practice high probability setups only, because higher chances of the time price may not respect those types of order block. So you don't want to stay away from these, especially with inefficiency above them. $950 is approaching. Let's do a $950 off ourselves, guys. I'm guessing this PDRA was disrespected, so it now becomes an inverse fair value gap inversion because price disrespected. It can be used to go to the upside now. Clear all of these markings. So price yesterday took previous daily high, yesterday high. Yeah, we can look for points of reversal at 950, but we must get those criteria intact. Also, we have a lot of liquidity above, so we need to be careful with that as well. And a buy side liquidity. Alright guys, 950 approaching. Now, I honestly kind of don't like this price action towards the 950 macro. Reason being, we have a lot of liquidity levels above that price may want to reach up into. So we can either use this macro as a continuation macro or a reversal macro. So we possibly can use this inversion to go to the upside along with fair value gap here. Right. Are you all following along so far? This is right, so we can monitor the midpoint of this fair value gap. Morning, morning top dog, morning. Morning top dog, top of the morning. What's up, bro? What's up? Clear the well on USDT. Yeah, bro. A lot of higher time frame liquidities on the buy side. Daily high. 15-minute order block. But I kind of being careful here because of the liquidity points above here as well. Excuse me. A lot of equal highs just resting above. Don't want to take any sales just yet. TP star one hit. Took a trade for the day already. We took the buys. Let's see if we can get a continuation. Yeah, bro, 15-minute breaker. Okay, cool. 15 minutes. Oh yeah, boom. Okay, cool. But I definitely personally would not have taken that because London low was right here along with all these liquidity points, new week opening gap as well. If price had came down here, sweep London low into the new week opening gap, I'll definitely take that trade to the upside. But it's just too risky for me. But good trade, bro, good trade. GG's. Bag it and tag it. Alright, let's try something here, guys. I'd risk it for the biscuit. Hey, gee. But that 930 spike, boy, that's just too like too much for now. That just jump over a stop loss something, you know. So I good. Yeah, good. Let me spec out time for BWs yesterday on the specs on yesterday, so I was looking for buys. Cool. Yeah, I like how Nas yesterday respected the when I call out the the BPR yesterday before. Price was probably around here, and I called it out to the tick. And the rest was history. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. I would love to try this type of entry off of this order block. Oh well, never mind. I've seen many instances where price did this before. Like I have a textbook. Let's go into my Notion. I've seen many instances like this before. Come, load up quick. Where it is? Textbook. Right. Let's see. Like some like this here, I've seen many instances where price did this. Retrace back into the singular order block here. Boom. Move upwards. See if I have another one. Yeah, something like it here as well. Price retrace back into the order block and boom. Move up. After the long range move, price so that could be something, but I just think that's not a standalone model, so we won't just take that blindly. We need confirmation, confluence, and all of that. So yeah, these, I think I'll wait for the next macro because selling here, you're asking for it according to these buy side liquidity above here. So we need to be patient. Let's see what Nas done for us. I would like to see price respected this 5 minutes fair value gap. And potentially going to the upside. Guess here, take this off, see that price disrespected. That inversion. We also have another inversion here as well. But these price movements are a bit risky. But nevertheless, price closed below the inversion, tapped into it, and then went right back down. So that could be a nice entry as well. This can be considered a breakaway gap. But like I said, guys, not taking any sells here with all these higher time frame liquidity above. Check on Euro. I haven't checked Euro in a minute. See what Dixie's doing. Dixie's moving to the upside. Okay, cool. Alright, price disrespected this order block. Let me delete that. Optimal trade entry. Put our fib. Okay, guys, price retraced below 50% level of the up move. Enter a fair value gap. It's always good to sell in a premium, buying at a discount to avoid unnecessary drawdown. Premium and discount. Very bad. So to measure premium and discount, you take your fib from the lowest low to the highest high. Midpoint is premium, equilibrium, sorry. The upper half is premium, the lower half is discount. So just imagine taking a buy here. Let me say you was FOMOing and you take a buy, you see this candle moving like, alright, and take a buy. You take a buy, boom, straight down. So these are necessary movements you could avoid by buying in a discount and selling above a premium, in a premium, sorry. Right. I haven't traded silver bullet in a minute. Who say pre silver bullet? Pre silver bullet. What y'all think, guys? This could be silver bullet, yeah. But I honestly don't wanna trade a silver bullet. You like to see a sweep below here, guys. Back to the upside to call the Sabrica. Now imagine taking this trade here. The stops will have to be above here, which is too much. That's too much. Patience, guys, patience. You're not being paid for your time, you're being paid for your decisions. Let's delete this real quick. Now this is like I said, taking a buy here on this breaker, just asking for it because price literally leave these lows here. So all of these tips and tricks you need to be very aware of. Now price could easily repel to the upside, but these are not high probability setups. And these are the setups that trick you into thinking that it works all the time. So when next you see a trade like this, you take it, then boom, end up hitting a stop loss. Alright guys, so high probability setups only. High probability setups only, guys. And with these decisions comes with experience. How to avoid, see that? There you guys, see what have been a nice entry off of this inversion to the midpoint. But we could also enter here as well and put our stops here. This is another technique to be safe. What you're really doing is let's say you don't wanna take a trade here, right? Your stop loss would have to be above the last PDRA, which is the order block. So you have to put your stops above here, which is approximately 40 pips, and that is way too much in my instance. Or you can lower your risk and still have your 40 pips there, right? And you might have a target, like I said, 1 to 2 is about here. Or to reduce risk, what you can do is allow price to retrace. Allow price to retrace. And then also look for inversion, which is here. Another inversion. So what do we say? Price shows us what it disrespects and what it respects, right? So okay, let's say this is a potential sell. One way to know if this would sell is you wanted to see disrespecting bullish PDRAs and respecting bearish PDRAs. So this inversion here is a bearish inversion because price closed below it. You don't want price to close above and keep going high. You want it to respect it, so it respects the midpoint, right? Now, like I said, you don't want to put enter here and it stops above here. So what you do is you look for another inversion, which is here, right? You wait for price to close below. Now, if this is truly a sell or a high probability sell, you will enter midpoint again, or at the start of this inversion, put your stops above here. Because reason being, you don't want price above the last PDRA, which is here as well. You don't want price to close above here. If it closes above here, it means that it's really for the upside and not for the downside. So it's like a cheat code to know where price would go. And there you go, guys. Boom. Another 1 to 2 here. So that is the silver bullet that I would be taking, not just a random fair value gap. It's like a safer route then, to me. And like you see, guys, the wicks does the damage. The body of the candle tells the story. The body is saying, I don't want to go up there. I don't want to go up there. It's okay for the candle to wick up into the order block here, right? But the body is telling you where it wants to go. And there you have it, guys. This is what the silver bullet, I guess. Yeah, I think that's the silver bullet. So yeah, this would have been an entry here. 20 pips. And probably target London low. Yeah. But it's too late to enter this, guys, so have patience, don't worry. But for those of you who trade silver bullet, you should pay very close attention to this little cheat code chat. If you're a fan of silver bullet and so forth, I hope you pay that close attention to that. Just saying. Now look at that. Okay, music is done. Channel. I'm liking what I'm seeing here, guys. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Need to see price respecting this inefficiency along with the order block to move to the upside. Alright guys, potential trade here. But let's just be patient. We need to see a closure above, especially with this inefficiency and order block here as well. We need to see closure above. this measure to 5. Okay guys, we kinda outside the macro, so didn't enter this trade, but I'd love to see a retracement to the midpoint. Beautiful breaker block here guys, but not exactly what I wanted to see. But you know, sometimes demanding much from the market is sometimes too much. Because what I'm looking at the behavior of US30 and the behavior of Dixie as well. That seems to be the only one with a high probability setup here. I would love to see this order block be reclaimed for the 1050 breaker. You all saw it here, guys, hand in hand. This was a paper trade. You also the strength, the volatility of these macros. Price came down, swept again. Now I should have paid attention to this little signature move here, right? Now price swept the liquidity that I was waiting for, right? The inversion here. I expected to disrespect this inversion because we need to go to the upside. Once we close above, price came back down into the inversion and also the fair value gap, also the bullish order block. So those are things that no questions asked, should be executing on. Boom, price close above, and the rest was history. So we're gonna take like a partial here, boom, partial there. But yeah, not really in a rush to take any trades, guys. And you see how price leave this little inducement here, perfect to clear these highs as well. Well, I'm not liking these pairs, not correlating with one another, so that's why I held my hand on this trade, guys. And also I would not have taken any partials, to be honest. So yeah. So we may see a potential reclaimed breaker block for the 950, the 1050 macro potential. Don't forget, guys, hit that like button, subscribe, share the link, tell a friend, Y'all know how we do. Potentially waiting for, who knows, price might leave without us. But today was sit on your hands day, because tomorrow is CPI. Wasn't gonna stream today, but you know, gotta grind. Put on 23. Not very much useful, but hey, see what. Hey, y'all guys took any trades today? This is actually dope. Yeah, today was kind of sit on your hands there. We had potential setups too, but you know how it goes. I would have loved to get in the entry here after a liquidity sweep. Right here. closure above, enter here. Yes, this is supposed to initially be our entry because we had a side before. Correctly sweep for this swallow. So you see guys, everything is about another learning opportunity. Alright, swap liquidity again. Just form the breaker block, close above, cut up until here, and propel up. Let's see what next time for that, guys. No emotion, just motion. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap it up in a few. No potential setups right now. Okay, so Nas price left us. We should have gotten an early entry at this fair value gap or inversion here as well after the second sweep. This is what I can order block February. Two hours on stream is like, I'm really content with that right now. 2 hours on stream, bro. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap it up here. No trades today, we sat on our hands today. But we did learn a little entry after the sweep. We look for inversion, another breaker block, fair value gap, and we also had targets. So good insight today guys, good knowledge, hope you learned something. We're gonna be back at it again tomorrow. Once again, thank you all for tuning in. This is MaalikTradez. Thank you all for trusting in me. Thank God for another one. And we surely will see you all tomorrow. Peace.